The ELEGOO Saturn 4 Ultra 16K is a next-generation premium resin 3D printer designed for creators who need ultra-high detail, fast printing speeds, and intelligent automation features in a large format machine. Equipped with a massive 10-inch 16K monochrome LCD, smart tank heating, AI-assisted monitoring, and advanced tilt-release technology, the Saturn 4 Ultra 16K is built for professional quality resin printing with maximum convenience and efficiency. One of the biggest highlights of the Saturn 4 Ultra 16K is its 10-inch 16K monochrome LCD screen with an ultra-high resolution of 15120 x 6230 pixels. This setup delivers extremely fine XY accuracy of 14x19 mm, allowing the printer to produce incredibly sharp details, smooth surfaces, and lifelike textures. It is especially suitable for miniatures, statues, jewelry models, engineering prototypes, and high-detail commercial resin projects. The printer supports impressive high-speed printing of up to 150 mph thanks to ELEGOO's advanced tilt-release technology. Instead of relying solely on traditional lifting movements, the tilt-release mechanism reduces peeling force between layers, allowing faster printing while maintaining print accuracy and reliability. This significantly shortens print times compared to older resin printers. Another standout feature is the smart tank heating system, which automatically maintains the resin temperature at around 30 degrees Celsius for better resin flow and improved layer adhesion. This intelligent heating technology helps reduce common resin printing problems such as bubbles, layer separation, and failed prints, especially in colder environments. The Saturn 4 Ultra 16K offers a large build volume of 211.68, 118.37 at 220 millimeters, equivalent to approximately 8.33 x 4.6666 is 8.66 inches. This spacious print area allows users to print large models or multiple smaller objects simultaneously, making it ideal for production workflows, cosplay pieces, and commercial printing applications. To improve lighting precision and print consistency, ELEGOO equipped the printer with a powerful Cobb light source combined with Fresnel collimating lenses. This advanced UV system provides more uniform light distribution across the entire build area, resulting in cleaner details, sharper edges, and more consistent curing performance. The flip-up lid design adds significant convenience during daily operation. Unlike traditional removable covers, the hinged lid opens upward smoothly and saves workspace while allowing easier access to the resin vat and build plate. This design also improves handling during resin refills and model removal. ELEGOO also integrated intelligent monitoring and safety systems into the Saturn 4 Ultra 16K. The built-in AI camera provides real-time print monitoring and can detect issues such as empty build plates or warped models. Intelligent mechanical sensors help protect the LCD screen from damage caused by cured resin debris, while automatic alerts notify users about low resin levels or leveling issues. The printer includes automatic leveling functionality, making setup easier for beginners and professionals alike. Instead of complicated manual adjustments, users can start printing with minimal calibration, improving convenience and reducing setup time. Overall, the ELEGOO Saturn 4 Ultra 16K is an outstanding high-end resin 3D printer that combines ultra-detailed 16K resolution, large format printing, intelligent heating, AI-assisted monitoring, and extremely fast print speeds. Its advanced automation features and professional-grade print quality make it an excellent choice for serious hobbyists, creators, and professional production environments.